spring is back and we're back at it here at Gracewalk Farm. We have been so busy getting everything ready for the summer garden, you guys, and I finally took out a little bit of time this week to grab some footage as we reset our trellises. So for the past 5 years, we have grown our tomatoes in the space you see here. And this year we're changing it up and we're going to put our beans here, and we're moving our tomatoes to the front garden that you'll see in a little while. Now, we're doing this for a few reasons, but mainly to help prevent disease in our tomato plants. We're going to do some crop rotation. And here's a look at our raised bed garden. It's really starting to fill in with the spring crops. We're growing tons of onions, carrots, beets, kale, cabbage, broccoli, all that kind of good stuff. This butter crunch lettuce looks so good, and you can see teeny tiny little carrots starting to poke through around it. I'm doing a lot of companion planting and interplanting this year to get as much food out of every bit of space as I can. And of course, we're adding lots of herbs too. Here's a look at my comfrey, which is blooming. I'm going to use this to make an infused oil to turn into a salve for muscle relief. Comfrey is so wonderful for aching muscles, but it's got lots of other uses too. And this one is a perennial, so it will come back year after year after year. So make sure you include some of this one in your garden as you plan your cottage garden or your garden of perennials. Comfrey is a must. It's equally beautiful and productive. And then you can see we have strawberries blooming. We have strawberries tucked all over the farm. They make a great ground cover, and so we put them everywhere. And then here you can see an example of our interplanting. We have lots of kale in this bed, and all around it we've added radishes. And look, this one's about ready to harvest. Let's pull it. Oh, first radish of the season, here we go. It grew so quick it split, but it's still so cute. And I'm sure it will be delicious too. It smells very peppery. Do you like radishes? Do you grow these? You can grow them in 30 days or less. They're such a fun win and a quick victory if you're struggling in the garden. Also new this spring, we have added some goats to the homestead, and we are loving our little goats. And the dogs are loving the spring weather. They spend about every day doing what you see here. They're running and playing, and our 2 little golden retrievers just love farm life. Now let's go back to the garden, and I want to talk for a minute with my friend Jill.
Maybe you're dreaming of growing your own food, but you're scared you might fail again. Well, I'm Jill from Whispering Willow Farm, and trust me, friend, I have been there.
You are not alone. I'm Amber at Gracewalk Farm, and it took years for my family to figure out how to actually replace the grocery store with the garden you see behind us.
Well, the good news is we've made all the mistakes, so now you can skip them. We have combined all of our years of gardening experience into a simple, foolproof system to take all of the overwhelm out of gardening.
Our 6-week Confident Gardener Mentorship is your secret weapon to help you learn to do this. And we promise that if you show up and you put in the work at the end of the 6 weeks, you're gonna know how to replace the grocery store and grow enough food to make a serious difference in your family's food budget. And we're gonna teach you how to do it where it's not gonna take so much of your time.
You'll get custom blueprints, foolproof planting plans, and hacks to beat the pest without the use of pesticides. Amber and I are both super committed to organic gardening, so we can ensure you that all of these methods are safe.
Plus, with a private community and weekly Q&A calls with me and Jill, we're gonna keep you on track so you don't get lost in the overwhelm this summer. We're gonna give you a lifetime of gardening experience in just 6 weeks for less than the cost of a month of groceries.
To keep this mentorship super personal and intimate, we are capping enrollment. So that means that the spaces are pretty limited. So trust me, friend, you don't want to wait.
Gardening doesn't have to be lonely or overwhelming. Join the Confident Gardener Mentorship and have the perfect opportunity to grow your confidence along with your food and some friendships along the way. We want to get to know you better, and we want to help your garden grow, so sign up today.